let's see our first thing. What are ROS2 nodes exactly? Okay, so let me explain it visually. One second. Okay, so hope my screen is visible to you guys. Yeah. So we will see what are ROS2 nodes. So for example, let's say I am building a robot. So let's consider this box as a robot that we are building. So let's say it is an AMR. It is an autonomous mobile robot, the one which I showed you guys at the beginning. Okay, so what all things will it have? It will have a controller section from which the motors will be getting controlled. It will have a sensor section from which the bot will be getting all its data. It will have a processing section wherein all the data will come and the bot will process it. So for example, these are the sections available. So for example, there are many sections, but these are the sections available. So this is the entire robot. These are what we refer to as packages. Okay, so I'll create one package which is entirely dedicated to my sensors. In my bot, for example, I will be using LiDAR sensor. I will be using ultrasonic sensor. I will be using, for example, a mic. I will be using a camera sensor. Okay, so these sensors are there. So I will create a ROS2 package which will contain scripts or programs for all these sensors individually. So a program that is only controlling LiDAR, a block of program which I have specifically written to control or get data from the LiDAR sensor, I call that as node. So nodes are nothing but scripts or block of programs which are supposed to perform a specific task. Okay, so if I write a node or a program to capture sensor data from the LiDAR sensor, so it will only capture data, its work is only to capture data for the LiDAR sensor, so that is a node. Again, I can write a program to capture data using ultrasonic sensor, so it will not capture data from LiDAR, it will only capture from ultrasonic, so again that's a node. So I have multiple nodes inside a package. Camera node, again for motors I'll have a motor control node, it will control the motors. I'll have an encoder node, for example, it is capturing data from my encoder and giving it to me. In the processing section I will have, for example, I will have a PID node which is doing all the PID calculations at the backend. So basically node is a block of program. For example, this is a node. So node is nothing but a block of program which performs only a specific task. This is node, nothing else. It's just a piece of program that performs a specific task. So this was about nodes. So we will see here as well. So robots are complex, as we all know. So what nodes do is it breaks the entire complexity into manageable pieces, small manageable pieces. If I write